Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone's front door pocket Molle panels for Jeep's 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Step 1. If desired, remove the factory door pocket netting and elastic band using a pair of cutting dikes or other cutting tool. This step is completely optional. Step 2. Starting with the bottom, insert each mounting tab into the factory trim surrounding the door pocket. Continue with the front tab, then finish with the rear tab. Step 3. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove the factory screw from the bottom of the door panel. You may reuse this factory screw during installation or replace it with a supplied M5 Phillips screw and washer. Step 4. Insert the supplied hold-down bracket through the slot at the rear of the Molle panel. Make sure the lip on the bracket faces away from the door. Align the bracket hole with the factory mounting hole, then place the supplied nylon spacer between the bracket and the door panel. Step 5. Secure the panel using the supplied M5 Phillips screw and washer, or reinstall the factory T20 screw. Step 6. Repeat on the opposite front door. Your installation is now complete.